This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Well, if you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in this video, I'm going to do a overview of the compensation plan for Tapestri and explain how it works and how you can earn money with your data. Now, if consumers already knew how many would monetize the data they're already giving away for free in exchange for a consistent monthly check. All right. Tapestri collects passive anonymous location data in the background and pays consumers for access. Tapestri allows consumers to gain insight and begin to understand their own location behavior and the movement patterns of people and places around them. How many people are in Whole Foods right now? Is my gym crowded? Is there a line at the taco truck? Okay, this is the kind of data that you would be able to access with this app. All right, your location data is what you're going to be being paid for in this app. All right, so the app will be available. Actually, it's the Google Store already approved it. The Google Play Store already approved it. The App Store, we're still waiting for approval. Now, I'm not going to kind of go over some of this. This PDF is available in the Facebook group. Once you join, you can join the Facebook group. But Tapestri begins to collect data passively in the background up to 200 events per user per day. Data is analyzed and monetized using predictive analytics, places visited, frequency, and journey. So that's the kind of information that they use. Users download the app, consents to data collection, device ID, precise location, email, name, etc. All right, and then earnings are tabulated and paid out each month. Okay, so you just set it and forget it. Surveys are available for more earnings. Know what your data is worth, and it's transparent and secure. So, how are they different? Okay, in the current market, consumers earn income by doing cashback programs like Dosh, Ebates, and Rakuten. Tapestri works in the background and doesn't require the customer to do anything extra. This opens up the target market and allows us to go global from day one. All right, so you are going to, step one is just download the app and follow 3 steps. It works in the background. The customer can interact if they choose, but it works whether you do or not. And you get paid for living life as normal. No surveys, no purchases required. For the first time ever, customers will know what data is collected and what it's worth. All right, how do you get paid in Tapestri, guys? Tapestri, when you download a free customer, meaning you're not an affiliate, you just downloaded the app, installed it, activated your location, and then you're going to be able to earn up to $25 a month on your data. You also will be able to earn if you tell a friend about this app. So you're using this app, you're out and about with your friends, hanging out, you're making money. Then you tell them about it. Hey, download this app, use my referral. You can get this app. You tap them into it, you're going to earn $1 for referring them. Okay. Now, you tell 10 friends about it, you're going to earn $10 a month on top of your up to $25 a month. You tell 100 people about it, you're going to earn $100 a month, and plus whatever you're using in your app. Okay. Passive income, unlimited sharing. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer and you want to really take this thing to the next level, you are able to become an affiliate right now for $9.95 and get 12 months free. Once the app goes live, you're going to be paying $9.95 a month to be an affiliate. Now, as an affiliate, you guys will earn $1 for the first level referrals. But if they share it with someone, the app, they install it and activate the app. The app has to be used, okay, to earn commissions on your referrals. Tier 1 and Tier 2, you're going to earn $1 for both levels when you become an affiliate. So you tell this to one person, and then they go ahead and say, hey, I'm using this app, and then they share. You're going to pay paid from that person as well. Okay? This is just the extra cash you can make. All right? Now, as a Tapestri affiliate, you're earning on using the app. You're earning on Tier 1 and you're earning on Tier 2. Okay? So, the next level of earning that you can get, say if you're an affiliate marketer, this is for my affiliate marketers out there that's looking, for some more ways to make some money. For example, you get 10 paid affiliates. All right, 10 people that become affiliates. That makes you a super affiliate. When you become a super affiliate, all right, you're going to earn 50%. You can earn, no guarantees, 50%, because it's up to if the person who you're bringing in is using the app. There's very different things that are involved here. Earn 50% matching bonus on all Tier 1 and Tier 2 affiliates. Okay, so not only are you just earning that $1, you're earning 50% matching bonus of what they make. So you bring in someone, you become a super affiliate. Maybe 3 of your people are some go-getters. Maybe 1 is a go-getter and they bring in a lot of people. You're going to earn 50% of what they earn. Okay. Super affiliate. All right. This is a team building. This is what super affiliate gets you. As an active super affiliate, you invite 10 or more personally active affiliates. Okay, 10 or more. 50% matching bonus on every affiliate on Tier 1 and Tier 2. Super affiliate pool. Every Tapestri customer who installs without a referral link will be distributed to super affiliates. So anybody that didn't come in with the app through a link, they will be given to a super affiliate. Here's an example of how you can earn as a super affiliate. Tier 1 affiliates earn, your Tier 1 affiliates, you have 10 of them. Yes, that makes you a super affiliate. They earn $100 each. Your bonus would be $50 times 10, $500. You made $500, okay? Tier 2, let's say the Tier 2 people made $100. You're going to earn 50% of what they earned, and that's $50. So you would have just made $1,000, okay? You would have made $1,000 from that. The first 50 super affiliates to personally enroll 10 super affiliates that remain qualified for 6 out of 12 months earn 1/50th of 1% equity. All right. So you're going to qualify. If you get 10 super affiliates, you qualify for 1% equity. Okay. Now, here's the earning disclaimer. There are no gotchas in this affiliate compensation plan. You share the app, you help us develop the Tapestri brand, and you get rewarded. Tapestri cannot and does not guarantee any level of earnings. Okay, so that is be sure to get your invite code before you install the Tapestri. So again, the app is not available yet. It's going to be launching any day now. If you get in before the app goes live, you're going to get 12 months free. So that means you're coming in with $9.95. You're not paying $9.95 a month. After the app is launched, anybody that becomes an affiliate is going to pay $9.95 a month. All right. So I am now a super affiliate. So I have 10 affiliates. So now I qualify to receive, the 50% matching bonus for my tier 1 and tier 2 people. So anything that they make, I'm going to earn 50% of it. Okay. So for me, it really, I like helping people already. Okay. So I already have my 10. So now what I'm doing is helping my first person to join to become a super affiliate. And they're almost there. And so my link in my LINKTREE, whenever you join, you're going to be joining under that person to help that person get there, become a super affiliate. And then I'll move on to the next person, and then the next person, and the next person. So to help build things up, the goal is to get people to super affiliates. The goal is to get people that really want to get this money, $1,000, extra $1,000 a month, extra $500 a month. I don't know, maybe it's an extra $100 a month. It's extra money, okay? By you just sharing this with people, and especially getting them in now when they're only paying $9.95 a month. So what I'm going to be doing is the first person that joins me, that is an affiliate. They're into affiliate marketing, and they definitely can bring people in. I will be paying it for the first person that emails me. Not just click on my link, click on the link that's in the LINKTREE, but because you're going to be joining under one of my team members. But if you do join, I am paying it forward for the first person that does that. Send me an email, let me know you're joining, and then I'll send you $10 so you can go ahead and reimburse you your $10 once you're in. So whoever that first person is, I'll pay it forward for you. So, but you have to join first, and I will cash app you the $10 so you can, after I verify that you're in. And again, be someone that wants to be in it. That can bring other people in, because you're only going to benefit by bringing people in where you can make money on these other tier. You become an active affiliate where you can. Well, if you want to earn on tier 1 and tier 2, it behooves you to be able to bring people in so you can get paid off of those people. If you're not able to do that, then this program probably is not for you. I wouldn't recommend you become an affiliate. Although I am going to be helping out my team, you're just going to be waiting till it's your turn to receive. So that is it. That is all, guys. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. Oh, and when you get paid, you're not getting paid. You're getting paid in money. It's not going to be with crypto. So that is the other thing. All right, the other plus about it. So that is it. That is all, guys. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Bye bye.
Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the